Nava? Yes, Rakesh. Okay, let's start. So today's topic is data interpretation. It's a topic whereby you should have good command of some concepts like percentages, okay, percentage change. For example, if I have to explain you about percentage change, what is the formula for percentage change? Very simple. Suppose you had 100 rupees, okay, you had 100 rupees, you invested this 100 rupees, today it has become 150. So what is the percentage change? Current year value 150 minus previous year value 100. Yeah. So I was saying you, if you have invested suppose 150 rupees, okay, 100 rupees. You have invested 100 rupees. Today that 100 rupees has become 150 at the rate of some 5%. For example, at the rate of some percentage. So if someone asks you what is the percentage change, so current year value minus previous year value divide by previous year value into 100. So what will be the answer? 150 minus 100 by 100. So 50 by 100. So how much is the profit you got? Tell me. Please tell me. You earned a profit of 50%. 50% of 100 is 50. So 100 plus 50 is 150. Done. In this way, this percentage chapter, then you should know about averages. So what is the formula for average? Average is sum of the observations whole divided by total number of observations. So if someone asks you, suppose there are some 5 students in the class, the marks they have got is 10 out of 25, 12 out of 25, 15 out of 25, 17 out of 25, 20 out of 25. And the average mark of the class, this is student 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 students, but I'm asking you average marks of the class. So this is 37, 37 plus 15 is how much? 42, 42 plus 12 is 54, 64, 64 by 5. So somewhere around 12 point something. Okay, that will be the average. So like that, some of the basic concepts you should have in your hands. Okay, so let's go with the first question. All of you please focus. Okay, so just read the question, all of you. So this is a tabulation data. We are starting with tabulation. So now the following table given, the following table gives the sales of batteries manufactured by a company over the years. Study the table and answer the questions that follow. So this is a table about the sales of batteries manufactured by a company over the years. Okay, now let's go ahead. So number of different types of batteries sold by a company over the years. So this is numbers in thousands. So these are the types of batteries. So year, and this is like 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. And the types of batteries 4Ah, 7Ah, 32Ah, 35Ah, 50Ah. So these are the types of batteries, and these are the batteries, these are the batteries sold actually. So 44 4Ah battery sold in 92 was 75, in 93 it was 90, in 94 it was 96, 95 it was 105, like that. 7Ah sales figures have been given. 32Ah sales figures have been given. 35Ah sales figures have been given. 55Ah sales figures have been given. Okay, this is the sum total of 92's total sales of all the batteries. This is the total sales of, and here these are single batteries. Here these are the sum total of the total batteries. See, if 4Ah sales in 92 is 75, 7Ah sales in 92 is 144. So if I add up all of this is total sales of all the batteries. Okay, all category of batteries. Now, so the first question to you is, the total sales of the 7 years is maximum for which battery? They are asking you which battery has the maximum sales. So you should not add, you should see which battery column has the bigger figures. So here you see 75. Here when I compare all the figures, 144 is the biggest. This is the first biggest. Second biggest is 114. Correct? All of you, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then secondly, here in all the cases, see, if you should see the biggest number of figures. So here how many figures are there with hundreds? 1, 2, 3. So here these three figures are with hundreds. Here how many figures are there with hundreds? 1, 2, 3. Here how many figures are there with hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here how many figures are there with hundreds? 1, 2, 3. Here how many figures are there with hundreds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So which one will be the biggest? Please tell me. What is the answer?
32.
Yes,
32A.
32H, because this has more bigger numbers in this column. So sales are high for 32AH. Okay. Question number 2. What is the difference in the number of 35AH batteries sold in 93 and 97? So 35AH 93 sales are 84 and 97 sales are 45. So what is the difference between 84 and 45? Can I say 39? Yes. So 39,000 is the answer. All of you please check the second question. I'll go for the third one. Everyone clear? Question number 3. The percentage of 4Ah batteries sold to total number of batteries sold was maximum in the year dash. So the percentage of 4Ah batteries sold to total number of batteries. So what is the total number of batteries here? 543, 528, 525, 510, 465, 495, 605. Correct? So we should see the percentage of 4Ah batteries sold to total. Suppose this is 75. 75 by 543 is how much percent? Okay. So we should see which year the percentage was maximum. That means 543 is the total of all the batteries. 75 is only 4Ah battery. So we should see what is the proportion of, or how much is this 75 in this 543, or how much percentage this 75 is in 543. That will give us an idea about the highest or the maximum number of batteries in which it is sold. Okay. That means 4Ah is maximum in which year in the total number of batteries. 4Ah is maximum in which year in the total number of batteries. Okay. So see, first of all, when such kind of questions are given, don't jump into the question. How many years are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And how many years they have given in the option? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 94 we can take, 95 we can take, 96 we can take, 97 we can take, 98 we can take. These two we should eliminate. So those are gone case. Now we should not consider them. Okay. We are only focused on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Point number 2. In case of percentages, you should know some small basics. Okay. I will tell you. See some small basics regarding the percentages. See 1 by 4 and 1 by 2. Which is a bigger percentage? Anyone? 1 by 2 is 50%, correct? 1 by 4 is 25%. So how much numerator and denominator comparison? If denominator is bigger, and numerator is smaller. So in both the cases, the numerator is smaller and denominator is bigger. Okay. But when we compare these two ratios, the one with a bigger denominator has a bigger percentage. Okay. So in comparison of fractions, the fraction, all of you can make a note of it, the fraction with a smaller denominator, because 1 out of 4 parts, see, actually if I have to divide 100 rupees, if I divide amongst 4 people, each one will get 25. If I divide amongst 2 people, each one will get 50. So I'm dividing this in 4 parts, dividing this in 2 parts. So how many parts if you divide that much lower fractions, bigger the fraction. Whenever I take the things, this always disrupt me. So if I compare 1 by 2, 1 by 4 and 1 by 2, I said the bigger the number in a fraction, the lesser the percentage. The smaller the number in the fraction, that is the bigger denominator, smaller percentage, or lesser percentage, smaller denominator, higher percentage. Okay, that is the case. And in case of numerator, this is actually troubling a lot. Let us do the question. So now we will try to, what happened to this? Yeah. Now we will try to solve. See, what are they asking? In case of which battery, no, okay, the percentage of 4H battery sold to the total number of batteries sold was maximum in the year. So let us see. So 94, 95, 96, 97, 98. So 94, what was the 94's figures? Let's see. So see, 92, 75 by 143, 93, 92. This is 75. Okay, here you can see 92 sales were 75. See, 92 sales were 75. See, 92. But why are they taking 92, stupid people? We have to take only 5 years. 93. They are doing it for your sake, for explanation to you. So I will just cancel out these 2 years because these are not there in my picture. I will consider only this. And in this too also there is small thing you should understand. One small thing. Okay, I will make the question very easy for you. I already gave you a basic. One basic I gave you. See, 95 and 97 are having the similar number of sales, 105 and 105. Now let us come here. So 105 divided by and 105 divided by. So 105 divided by 510, 105 divided by 495. What did I tell you right now? 1 by 2 and 1 by 4, which has a bigger percentage, 1 by 2, correct? It is 50%, it is 25%. In this, the numerator are the same, but which has a bigger denominator, 510, which has a smaller denominator, 495. So this fraction will, so the percentage will be higher or not? This will be higher or not? Please tell me yes or no. Hello. Higher percentage, correct? So I will again eliminate this because they said me maximum sales is in which year. So this is gone now in comparison. So I will eliminate this. So 105 by 510 is 95. So 95 sales will not be bigger when compared to which year? 97. So 97 sales is maximum. Okay. Now this comparison is gone. Now we have to compare 94, 96 and 98. Let's go ahead. So here, as far as I am concerned, 97 is bigger one. Okay. Now let's go ahead. Now I have 96 by 525 and 90 by 465. Okay. I'll write it here. 96 by 525. 96 by 525 and 90 by 465. 96 by 525. 96 by 525 is in the year 94 and 90 by 465 is in the year 96. So now see here, there is one small thing. Now again you should be understanding. See, if I take 90 as 1 and 96 as 3, because 96 is bigger than 90. Okay. Okay. Let us take, it is like 2. And 465 is smaller than 525. So I will take this as 4 and I will take this as 6. Correct? Are you following what I'm saying? All of you.
Yes, sir.
What am I doing? What am I trying to do here is I'm trying to solve with some estimates. Okay. So now please tell me, this one is how much? 1 by 3 and this one is how much? 1 by 4. Correct or wrong? Please tell me yes or no. Hello. All of you, are you listening what I'm saying? Hello. Are you listening what I'm saying? What you people are doing, I don't know. See, this is 90 by 465. This is 96 by 525. I am trying to estimate. See, I am taking 190 as 1. I am taking 90 as 1. I am taking 96 as 2. I am just assuming. I am taking 465 as 4. I am taking 525 as 3. Sorry, 6. 6. Okay. Here I'll write neatly. So this 90 I am just assuming as 1. 465 I am assuming as 4. Example, this 96 is bigger than 90. So 96 I am taking as 2. Okay, because 2 is bigger than 1. And 525 I am just taking or assuming as 6 because this is bigger than this. So 6 is 4 than this is 6 is bigger than 4. So now here I am getting 1 by 3. Here it is 1 by 4. This is 25% and this is 33%. Now tell me which is bigger. Tell me which is bigger. Hello. Can you tell me which is bigger percentage, which is smaller percentage? Just a second. 1 by 3 na. 1 by 3 is 33%. 96 by 525. 18%. If I take this 2 and this is 6, but it is 90 by 465, 19%. No, it is not matching actually. Okay, let us not assume this. This assumption won't work. See, one more assumption is there. If you follow that one, it will be okay. Let us take assumption number 2. Ninety by 94, na? 96 by 525, 90 by 465. So what we'll do is, we will just try to. Okay, now one more thing I'm asking you, please tell me one more thing. Okay, this is a very good basic. See, but here that basic would work or not, it's a problem. Okay, let us divide this 465 with 90 and 525 with 96. 9 5s are 45, so 5 451. So 0.0. 92s are 180, so 0.190. So like here I can write 1 by 5.1. Okay, now let us see here. Let us see here. Please understand what I'm doing. I'm doing it in an easy way. So what I'm doing is I am just reversing it. 465 by 90 I am doing, and I am getting 5.1. I'm re-reversing it. That means 1 by 5.1. Okay, and here what I'm doing, I'm dividing 525 by 96, and I'll re-reverse and compare the fractions. Okay, so 96 ones are 96 twos are 96 twos are 4s are 96 fours are will do. So what will we get for 96 fours are? We'll get 384. 96 fives are will do. We'll get 480. 96 fives are 480. Okay. Here we'll get 5. 12 when we remove 8 we'll get 4. And 45 we got. And here point and 0. Okay. And 0 450. So now what we can do, 96 96 fours are, if I take 96 fours are, I am getting 380. Okay, so 384. So 1 by 5 point, so this is 5.4 and I will take it as 1 by 5.4. So now what the conclusion is, the conclusion is 90 by 465 is 1 by 5.1 and 96 by 525 is 1 by 5.4. Now you tell me which is a bigger percentage. This is a bigger percentage, correct or wrong? All of you tell me yes or no. This is 19.6. This is 18 point something. So this is smaller, this is bigger. Okay, so 90 by 465 is bigger. So 90 by 460. So this one I am eliminating. This is not the maximum one. Here also we can see. So here 90 by 4, here you got 19.35 and here you got 18 point. So this is gone. This is not maximum. Okay. So now we have got conclusions. What conclusions we have got? 105 by 510. This one also smaller and this one is bigger. So this and now this. In this three there is a tie. So this one is smaller than this. Okay. 19.35 is smaller than 21.21 Only this one is left over. Now let us take this 1, 2, 3 into picture. 90 by 465. 90 by 465. 105 by 495. And 115 by 605. Okay, now. So here 90 by 465 we got it as 1 by 5.1. This is okay. Now only these two fractions if we get, we'll get the answer. 105 by 495. So we will just do 495, 105. So you know, like if I take 4 point something will give me the answer. So 1 by 4 point I'll get. So this will be a bigger fraction than this. This is cancelled. Now these two are there. 605 by 115. Okay. And here I will just get 5 point something. So this one also be 1 by 5 point. Okay. So this one also will be the bigger the number in denominator, the smaller the fraction. So what is the answer? 105 by 495. That is 21.11. This is the answer. All of you just make a note of this. Now, next question. In the case of which battery there was a continuous decrease in sales from 92 to 97? Let us see 92 to 97. 92 to 97. Which one is decreasing constantly? So here for 4AH, it is increasing. See 75 to 90, then 96, 105, then it again decrease, then again increase. So this one is not. This one is decreasing, but increase again. But this is constantly decreasing. Let us see what options they gave. 4AH is not there. They gave 7AH. So 7AH I am considering. Let me check 32AH. It is just decreased, then again constantly increased. This one is only decreasing. Okay. Then 35AH. It decreased, then increased, then decreased, then increased. There are 2 to 3 trends happening here. This one is constantly increasing, then decrease, then increasing. So only 7AH is the one which is constantly decreasing. So I'll write 7AH. Last question. What is the approximate percentage increase in the sales of 55AH batteries in 98 compared to 92? What is the approximate percentage increase in the sales of 55AH batteries? So 55AH batteries. They are saying what is the approximate percentage increase in sales of 55AH batteries in 98? So what is the 98 sales? 108. Then 98 sales is 108 and 92 sales is 108. And then what did they say? 1998. So 92 I took. Okay, 92 is 108. Sorry. Let's take 98. 98 is 145. They are saying the percentage increase. So 148 minus 108 by 108 into 100. Can you solve this and tell me what's the answer? So here 148 minus 108 is how much? Please tell me. 40. 40 by 108 into 100. So if I just remove 8 from this, 40 by 100 is like 40 by 100 if I take. So it will be 2 by 5. So 2 by 5 into 100. Okay. So 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. So if I cancel this 20, I'm getting 40. Nearby 40. So these two will be the answers. But okay, if I go approximate,
37.
Yeah, I am very nearby to that only. So answer may be 37 only. 54 actually. Did I take a wrong thing? 145 or what? 140? Acha, it is 145 now. 98. Okay. It's 145. Sorry. So 145 minus 108 is how much?
37.
37. 37 by 100 into 100. 37 by 108. Na? 37 by 108 into 100. So if I take like this, that means I will just do one thing. I will write this 35. I will write this 105. Any problem? Approximately 35 by 105 into 100. What will be the answer? This I deducted 2. This I just took. So 35 by 105 is, here I will get 1. Here I will get 3. So 100 by 3 is how much, boss? 33.3. 34%. This is the answer. All of you make a note of this. Yes, finished? So all of you, I am sending you some questions. You do from tabulation data. Let us go for the bar graph. Okay. All of you be ready for the bar graph. Okay, let's solve this question. All of you read the data. Okay, see, please try to understand. The bar graph given below shows the foreign exchange reserves of a country in million US dollars from 92 to 98, 99. So they have given here. All of you please follow up. So they have given the foreign exchange reserves of a country. See, foreign exchange reserve is nothing but India. India also has, I think India has 600 billion plus dollars of foreign reserves. Okay, like that, there are some countries which have foreign exchange reserves. So they did not mention the countries, but they have given the data. So let us see. The bar graph given below shows the foreign exchange reserves of a country, maybe United States or any other country, in US dollars from 91 to 90, from 1991-92, that year to 1998-99. And you should answer the questions based upon the data. So you can see 1992, the foreign exchange reserves are 2,640, 1992, 93 it is 3,720, 93, 94, 2,520, like that the data is given. So the first question in the foreign exchange reserves in 1997-98, which is 5040. was how many times that in 94, 95? So this is 3360. So how to answer such kind of questions? First, you do one thing. You try to, if you divide it, you can get the answers. I am telling you how to go. 5040 divided by 3360. You try to this, you make this point. You make them decimal point. 50.40 I'll take 50. 33.60 I'll take 34. Any problem? Anyone has got any problem? Please tell me. There is no issue now. Correct? Now 50 by 34 is how much? In fact, 5 by 3 is how much? One 1.6 something I am getting. Correct? Please tell me. Hello. All of you are listening? Yes. So can I say it is near to 1.5? Yes, 1.5 times. Let us check the answer. Where is that? One 1.5 times. Okay, that is correct. Now question number 2. Question number 2. So you should try to do this in shortcut way. Don't go for lengthy calculation. Try to approximate. Okay. So I did what I did. Instead of taking bigger numbers, I just took 50 by 34. That means 50.50, 50.40, 36.33.60. See, 33.6 is 34. 50.4 is 50 only. So first question is done. Question number 2. What was the percentage increase in the foreign exchange reserves in 97, 98 over 93, 94? So 93, 94 is what? 2520. And the 97, 98 is what? 5040. So you should do what, 5040 minus 2520 divided by 2520 into 100. And if you see this, 5040 is exactly double of 2520. Please calculate and tell me. 25.2 into 2. 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10, 5 2s are 2 2s are 4. See, 4 plus 1 5. So 50.4. So 5040 is double of this. So 2520 divided by 2520 into 100. So there is a 100% increase. So answer is 100%. All of you make a note of this. We'll go for the next question. For which year the present increase of foreign exchange reserves over the previous year is highest? This you can see from the graph only. It is very easy to understand. You should see 93, 92, 93. So 92, 93, for which year the percent increase of foreign exchange reserves over the previous year is the highest. So 92, 93 and 91, 92. You have to compare 93, 94 and so here it is 93, 94 when I compare. Previous year it was more, here it is less. So this is not there, cancelled, because here it is decreasing, not increasing. Point number 3, 94, 95. 94, 95 and this year we should compare these 2 years, increasing or decreasing. 96, 97. This year we should compare. I will tell you easy way, don't worry. 97, 98. 97, 98, this to this year. So they are asking in which year the increase was the highest. So let us do one thing. Let us write the figures here: 37, 2640 and 3720. So 2640 and 3720. They are asking percent increase. So you should first understand the question very clearly. Okay. The percent increase was, and 93, 94 I told you to cancel. 94, 95, 3360, 2520. You should compare this. And then which year? 96, 97. So 3120, 4320. So here I am thinking the increase is very much. Why? Because the graph shows a very broader. See, by seeing the figure also you can understand. Here the gap is very much. See, here the gap is very much. Here, let's check. Let's check. And then 5040 and 4320. So you take 37 here and you take 26, 33 and 25, 34, sorry, here you can take 34 and 25. Here you can take 31 and 43. Here you can take 50 and 43. Now things become very easy. So 37 minus 26, 11. 11 by 11 by 26. This one is first one. Here, like 24 and 35 difference is 9. So 9 by 25. Second one. Here the difference is 31 and 43. The difference is 12. 12 by 31. And here the difference is 7. 7 by 43. Now what is the question they're asking? For which year the percent increase of foreign exchange reserves over the previous year is the highest? So let us write them all of them in a line. So 11 by 26, 12 by 31, 9 by 25, 7 by 43. Okay, now let's make one more small thing. Okay, now see, I will tell you easy way, don't worry. 26 by 11, 26 by 11 is like 11 twos are 22, 2.4. So 1 by 2.4 here, because 26 by 11 means 2.4, something around 2.4. Then again reciprocal 1 by 2.4. Then 31 by 12, 12 threes are 36, 12 twos are 24. So 2.8. So 1 by 2.8 something you'll get. 25 by 9, 9 twos are 18. So if I can, if 25, I have to write 9 twos are, so 1 by 2.6 something I'll get. And 43 by 7, 6 sevens are 42. So 1 by 5.8 something. So here they are asking which is the maximum, correct? Maximum increase. So this figure I am getting the maximum 11 by 26. 11 by 26 for 26 was for which year? Let us see. It was for 37 and 26 now. Okay. So 37 and 26. So 91, 92. Let us see. 92 and 93. Okay. So I am absolutely right. Here it is the 40.91. This is the highest. Okay. So all of you should follow my method. Instead of doing lengthy calculations, it is better to do in this way. So now let's go for the next question. It is fourth and fifth question I need to answer. So follow up these steps at home. Okay. Question number 4. Where is the question number 4? Okay, it is there itself. So they are asking the foreign exchange reserves in 96-97 were approximately what percent of average foreign exchange reserves over the period. So now you should find out the average and you compare 96-97 with that. So we'll do that. Okay. So for that also you need not do the entire thing. Don't add up all of them. You take approximate figures. See, you only take 26 here. Plus you take 37 here. Plus 25. Plus 34 because 33.6 plus 31 plus 43 plus 50. So find out the average of this by 7. So this one will be 76 and 34 will be 110. So add up all of them. We can do this now. 3 plus 1 4 plus 4 8 plus 5 is 13, then 20, then 26. So I'll take 6 here to carry. 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 and 24. Okay, 24. So 246 by 7. So it will go by what? 7 4s are 28, 7 3s are 21. We'll divide and see. Actually, here also I can use shortcuts, but okay, fine. So 5s are 35. So 15.1 something you'll get. 15 you'll get, for example, okay? So now what are they asking? This is the average. 15 is the average, okay? They are asking what the foreign exchange reserves in 96-97 were approximately what percent of average foreign exchange reserves. So average foreign exchange reserves is 15. 96-97 reserves is what? Let us take the data. I think where is that? So it was 246. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 246. 96-97. It was 246 only, na? Okay. No, 246. Some mistake, I think. It is like, sorry, it is 3 now. You should have told me. You're not telling me at all. 3 7s are 21. I'm writing 1 there by mistake. 35.1. Now everything is correct. So I got 35 here. 96-97 is 43. We got the answer very easily. Now our average is 35 and here also the average is 35. 34.80 is 35 only. Okay. So I'm right there. See, instead of you doing all these big calculations, I made this easy. And there it is 43.20. I'll take 43. 43 by 35 is 1.24. 1.24 is nothing but 125%. Okay. We got the answer. Last question. the ratio of the number of years in which the foreign exchange reserves are above the average reserves. So the average is what we got. We got 35, correct? That is 34, 35 we got. So above this and below this, what figures are there? We'll see. So 34.80. So above 34.80 are how many? 1, 2, 3. Okay, only 3 figures. Is to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So above 34.80 are only how many years? 1 year, 2 year, and then it is like 3 years, and below that are 1, rest of the 5. Okay, so 3:5 is the answer. That is 3:5. So all of you, we have done these questions and you have understood how to do this data interpretation. I am sending you tabulation data and as well as the what we say this bar graph. So now you need to do the questions from that. I am sending you that. Okay, and again after 1 hour 9:20 9:20 or something. Okay, is this enough today? You want to do this or you want one more class? Please tell me, all of you, yes or no. Hello, please tell me, do you want to practice today this only or you want a class half an hour something 9:30 to 10? Tell me, then I'll put it. Hello, no one answers. What is the problem? I don't understand. Okay, I'm sending the worksheets. You do that. 9:30 will again log in. No problem.